Hi, friends!
Welcome to Grand Falls-Windsor, nestled in the heart of Newfoundland's scenic exploits river valley. As we soar above this vibrant town, let's take a closer look at what makes it so special. Flowing through the heart of Grand Falls-Windsor is the majestic Exploits River, the island's longest river. This picturesque waterway not only adds to the town's natural beauty but also serves as a vital connection, linking the lush forests of the interior to the bustling lumber and pulp mills of the city. The town's story revolves around a newsprint and pulp mill established in 1909, setting the stage for a thriving economy fueled by lumber, hydroelectricity, and a strategic deepwater port in Bogwood. January 1, 1991 was a significant milestone as Grand Falls and Windsor officially joined hands to form the vibrant community we see today. As the largest town in the central region and the sixth largest in the province, Grand Falls-Windsor boasts a lively spirit. One of the town's pride and joys is the annual Exploits Valley Salmon Festival, a celebration deeply ingrained in its cultural fabric. The Roman Catholic Cathedral of the Immaculate Conception is a timeless symbol of faith and community spirit. In the early 1900s, a small chapel was erected, doubling as a place of worship and education for the growing community. Construction of a new church commenced in 1920 to accommodate the expanding congregation. Over the course of 25 years, a magnificent Romanesque-style edifice emerged, adorned with intricate details and cherished artwork, including a breathtaking Carrere altar depicting the coronation of the Blessed Virgin Mary. In 1965, a new chapter unfolded with the construction of the current Immaculate Conception Cathedral Parish, solidifying its place as a spiritual hub for the community. The Exploits River is a majestic waterway weaving through the heart of Newfoundland and Labrador. Stretching across the island of Newfoundland, it holds the prestigious title of being the longest and largest river in this rugged land. Its waters have played a vital role in the region's rich history and ongoing development, serving as a lifeline for communities along its banks. But the Exploits River is more than just a historic watercourse, it's a playground for adventurers seeking thrills and excitement. From the thrill of whitewater rafting to serene paddling experiences, this river offers something for everyone. The Grand Falls Dam, also known as Goodyear's Dam, is a vital hub of hydroelectric power generation nestled along the Exploits River. The primary purpose of this impressive structure is to divert water to the power canal, where it fuels the hydroelectric plant, providing essential electricity for the region. Stretching across the Exploits River, the dam has undergone significant transformation over the years. Historically, timber flashboards were used to raise the pond elevation, but maintaining them posed risks and challenges. To modernize and enhance the dam's efficiency, Newfoundland and Labrador Hydro embarked on a 3-year rehabilitation project which reinforced the existing concrete structure and introduced innovative features like the inflatable spillway. With a generating capacity of 75 megawatts, the hydroelectric facility at Grand Falls-Windsor stands as a cornerstone of the island grid, ensuring a reliable power supply for customers far and wide.